everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have brand new fidgets in my collection. And I did got some of this at Five Below, the dollar store, and my use. I have a Slinky that says Cutie Pie onto it. I have 3 poppets. This one is the glow-in-the-dark one. And I have a pastel one that also glows in the dark. I got the poppets at Five Below. I have a fidget spinner. I got that one at the dollar store, if anyone was wondering. And I got 2 buckets of Mochis, and I found these at Five Below. This one is the jungle animal Mochi, and it comes in 16. And here's what they are inside of it. My favorite, personally, has to be, I believe this one is a cat. Comment down below if it is. But that one is my favorite. And yes, it comes in 2, like 2 each. And this one is the fast food Mochi. It comes in 2 each. That goes to 16. Look at it. And my favorite out of that has to be the soda and the pretzel one. Comment down below if those 2 counts as fidgets or not, because these 2 was in the fidget collection at Five Below. I also have poppet bracelets. They are Valentine's Day themed ones. They do come in 6-pack, like a 6 counts. I have 2 simple dimples that is in white. I really like simple dimples. I even have 2 simple dimples that is in blue. I found these at Walmart in the clearance section, and they was only 50 cents each. I have 4 needles. I got them at Five Below. I never owned these ones yet. This is the blue and pink one. The yellow and pink that's trying to open in the back with tape. I have another yellow and pink and blue and yellow. Comment down below if they have any more colors for these kind of needles. And I have stress balls, but in Hello Kitty. I really do like Hello Kitty, like I really do. And it comes in Hello Kitty Bads. I cannot pronounce it properly, but it's this one. They have pom-pom and cinnamon roll. I really like these ones, like for the stress balls. And if I have to pick just one out of the collection, it has to be the stress balls. But if I have to pick at least 3 out of the pile, it would be the stress balls, it would be all the needles that I have. And on top of that, it will be the simple dimples that I have. Comment down below which one is your favorite out of the whole entire pile. Make sure to like this video, and I hope that everyone likes this video.